Guys, so I'm going to show you how to fix your armrest if it will not stay closed and your latch right here is broken. Let's get right to it. All right, the first thing you need to do is remove all these screws on the back of it. You have a total of 6 screws, and I already did that. Now this bottom piece secured by tabs that actually inside of it, so after you remove the screws, it's actually not going to fall on you. You have to leave these little tabs inside. You're going to see in a minute. Basically, you just need to find a tool. Don't use screwdrivers because they actually really thick and you will damage the plastic and your leather right here. Just find these things. You can buy them Amazon. You can get them at the local hardware store, and just stick one in here and just kind of wiggle until you find the place of the latch. Like I just hit this one right there. There's another one over there, and now you can just hold this side and continue working your way down, and now the whole thing just comes out like that. Alright, so basically this is what happened. There is a plastic tabs right here on the bottom, and over the years they just basically snapped, and now these little springs don't do the job by holding this little ledge down, because this ledge right here, this area right here, need to be pressed down, and in your case it's probably sticks all the way up like that, so that's why it won't close. Now what you need to do, you just simply need to put something right here in this hole, something to stick. And in my case, as you see right here, I bought this at the dollar store. This is just the foam tabs that you put on under your stool, under your chair, so you won't be scratching your floor, won't be making any noise. These cost obviously $1. You just need to cut some pieces and stick them in here in this groove. You can use something else. It can be a rubber pad, rubber piece, I don't know, something that will actually press this ledge right here, this piece against this, and that way the whole thing just constantly will press down. You'll still have a little restriction here, so you actually can open that. So first we need to remove this. We need to get rid of these springs. You don't need them anymore. We're gonna cut some pieces, and I'm just gonna show you how to put them in there and how much you need. Now just be aware, this is a temporary solution, and it's just something you can fix it until you can get actual replacement. And I can tell you right now, you cannot just buy this piece. You have to buy entire cover. You can get lucky and you can find a good working piece at your local junkyard. You can maybe find a replacement piece on eBay, but I'm sure I'll show you this piece at the dealership probably going to cost $200. So yeah, so this is just repair for $1. Now you have installed pad here, resistant, and as you see, I basically paint this in black just so it won't be so noticeable. And so basically what this little pad it do a job of the springs that was here broken. Now obviously if you have the whole latch right here broken, there's really nothing you can do besides replacing the whole thing. But let's go ahead and put everything back together and it'll work right away. The only problem with this type of repair is you're going to lose the feature of this locking. Basically now, instead of having two latches here, two separate latches, you only will have one latch, and every time you need to lock this piece against your armrest lid, you actually have to manually grab that and lock it, just like that. Guys, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and as always, thank you for watching.